Yeah, boy! Snakeies, it's me, Fifi, and I'm back. I'm back again today with another tripleS reaction for you guys. Oh my god, I am so excited for this. You don't understand, well you will understand if you did see my reaction to Acid Angels. I did an album first listen and everything. You can go and find those in my tripleS playlist on my channel. I was obsessed with the track Dimension. That was actually included in my top 10 songs of 2020. Again, if you missed that, it's only available on my Instagram if you want to go find it. It's on my feed, it's on my reels. Anyway, so I'm really excited. I have no idea what's going on with the members, all the detail, I don't know. I'm just here for the music, bruh. If you guys want to let me know the info in the comments, let me know what's going on. Anyway, I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing album first listen, of course. This is part 1, so I'm going to do the title track and MV Rising, and then the first 3 B-sides, which are Beam, Before the Rise, and Colourful. I'm super excited. Let's just go. Disclaimer, I don't like to react with captions on as I find them distracting. I like to concentrate on the music, and the music production is what I like to comment on the most. When I'm looking at the words at the bottom of the screen, I'm missing parts of the song, their vocals, and I'm missing parts of the MV and choreo. I'll read the lyrics later in my own time. Okay guys, let's go. I'm so damn excited. tripleS Rising MV. Let's go. Sorry, actually, I'm filming. La 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 la, la 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 la, doom 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 doom. Love that. Brown brown. Ooh. There's vocals in the back. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Was that scratching? That was scratching? Love the voice chops in the back, the vocal chops. All the choppy little sings. Hey! Flow delivery. Wow. Love that. Love the styling, very 60s. God, I love this. I love that croak. Ad-libs, vocals. The layering. Did it finish? Why was that so short? That was very short, wasn't it? Bruh. The idol of all possibilities. Yeah, well that's just solidified everything that I thought. thought and knew this is about to be one of my favourite girl groups. I know it. Immediately, bro. The vibes, immediately, I loved it. And they have their own sound, their own vibe. I feel like concept-wise, it's very similar to New Jeans in that sense, but I just think this is how it's going to be from now on with a lot of girl groups. We're going to find a lot of girl groups debuting with this type of vibe. Not like girl groups haven't done it before. I'm not going to name any names, but I just feel like you're going to be seeing this type of MV a lot more. A little bit more of like a Western vibe, right? But the thing is with tripleS is they have got their own sound already. I don't even know how to explain that type of sound, but I love it so much. Immediately that la 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 la, and I love how it was consistent all throughout the song. Like we could always like la 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 la. I loved it. Then the chorus, then the fact. Listen, you know me, I'm all about the instrumentals. That's the most important part. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm listening to. That's what's the most important thing to me, right? You know me, I'm always begging for instrumental moments. Like I need a little breakdown. I need a little moment. They gave us a nice post-chorus. That, you know the part I mean? Before we went into the second verse, right? Bro, all those little choppy synths. You know me, I love those little do. You know I live for that shit. You know I live for that shit. You know I live for that shit. And then, right, we come into the second verse. The rap, her flow, her delivery. Please tell me her name. I don't know any of the members, any of the names, anything that's going on. All I remember is something there'd be like 1 million members or something. I don't know. Just please keep me updated in the comments, bro. Ad-libs towards the end. I was a little bit upset. I was like, oh, I need a nice proper bridge. Like I felt like I needed a nice proper bridge. And then I was like, you know what? No, I didn't need a nice proper bridge. I was satisfied. And I know why I was satisfied. I was satisfied because of those ad-libs towards the end. Bro, you know me, I love an ad-lib. They're so underrated. People do not talk about how important ad-libs are. But those ad-libs, the vocals, I don't know who was singing those ad-libs, who was giving those little high notes, those little riffs and those little runs. But she was killing it. That whole thing was impeccable. I love the choreo. I love the visuals. I love the vibes. Obsessed. Let's go on to the first 3 B-sides. Okay guys, so the first B-side is called Beam. I'm not sure, I usually like to react to audios that are on YouTube because it's just easier for me when I edit. But like none of the audios are on YouTube, which is kind of weird. I'm not sure why. So I'm just listening off of Spotify. I'm screen recording. It's a bit hard for me to screen record when I'm when I'm sitting here, but hopefully it works out well. See, it's already messing up for me. Let's go Beam. Can you hear that? Oh no. Oh my god. No. Did you hear that? I'm gonna faint. This is one of the best songs I've heard this year. I can't. I'm not getting over this. melody. That little break in the beat. Oh god, these melodies. The layering. Bro. You see how Dimension made it into my 2022 top 10 songs? How is Beam not gonna make it into my 2023 top 10 songs? And I don't know if there's gonna be a song better than that one on this album, and if there is, I swear to God, I will smash up this whole house. I don't know why I'll smash up this whole house, but that's just how I'm feeling right now. Are you kidding me? First of all, though, what sort of sense, you know, I live for the sort of sense. Everything about that, the melodies, bro, the layering with all the little harmonies and the little, I can't. The beat, the bass, the percussion, those chord sequences, those synths, I can't. There was this one little break in the beat as well on the last chorus. I don't know what to say. I don't know what you wanted to say. Like, that song was perfect. That was a 20 out of 10 perfect song. 5 stars. Can we just go on to the next one? Okay, guys. So, next up we have Before the Rise. But since it's pretty short, no, I'll pause it. I was just going to let both songs play through, but I'll pause it. Let's go. Oh no. Ooh, boom, boom, boom. Oh, it's so gritty. Is that more scratching? Interesting. Ooh. I can't. Okay, so that wasn't, I find it interesting because usually you have like an album intro song as the first song, but I like how they put the intro Before the Rise before the title track. It made the flow even just a little bit better, but I'm not sure why they just didn't put Before the Rise as the first track, then Rising as the second track, but it's interesting. Already that's a small little change from the norm, and I like it. I can't explain it, but I like it. Okay guys, let's go. Next up we have the track Colourful. Let's go. Oh, where did I recognise that from? That where did I recognise? This sounds familiar. I can't with that. With the beat picked up. The vocals, the harmonies are back. I might cry. Oh god, stop. The way the people sing. The grittiness of those synths. Oh, this beat! I can't take anymore. I can't, I'm gonna be sick. I'm gonna poo myself. I'm crying and I'm not trying to be I'm crying, but I'm not trying to be dramatic, but that sounded a lot like a group that I don't think we're gonna hear music from ever again. I'm not gonna name the group. Oh, also my dog snoring in the back. I don't want to name the group, but I think you all know who I'm talking about. And when I first discovered this group, when I first heard their songs, that's the exact same feeling I'd get from their songs. And it's been so horrible just to think and to almost know that we're never going to get those songs again. I feel like a lot of us accepted it because their sound changed anyway. But I think now as well, with the fact that we don't know if we'll ever hear them again as a group, see them again as a group, and then hearing another group just doing that sound, doing it so well, it's a bit like, it's like a relief, but it's also sad. It's like saying goodbye to one group and saying hello to another group. It's happy, it's joyful, but sad at the same time. I'm not going to name the group, but I think you know who I mean. And I think if you stir that group and also this group, you'll know how I feel about that. But that song, there's just something about that song. It's as if they just sprinkled magic into it. However they cooked that song in the studio, whoever wrote those melodies and whoever cooked those beats and the way the girls went into the studio and sang their freaking little asses off, and then how the sound engineering and all the mixing and then just everything, that was sprinkled with magic. I'm just chatting shit now. That's the end of part 1, bro. I'm gonna go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, I love you. Gonna follow me on Instagram, guys. Gonna follow me on Twitter. And yeah, goodbye.
Oh!